Hi! In front of me is Honor X6 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone section at the bottom. Following that, click on device name and type in wherever you wish to. When you finished, tap on OK. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Honor has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!